Good evening, everyone. Vykker here, doing another box opening. I have my assistant Pink Wyvern with me in the room. She's going to be assisting me with a few things. I changed the camera angle up a little bit. I don't plan on doing the file installations tonight. I just want to get this unpacked. I tried to get as prepared as possible, have all my tools laid out, everything I should need. First, I'm starting with the basic stuff, just opening the box and getting it unpacked. Let's see what it is. This is straight from US Customs. That's all I'll say. I'm really looking forward to setting up this machine. And it's very surprising to me because I checked the price on it just before I started doing this, as I was checking some of the other requirements and safety features, making sure that I know what I'm doing during this installation. This is another one of those things where I'm doing it impromptu on the fly. I set some of this up, like I said, gathering my tools and things of that nature, but beyond that, this is something that everyone else's videos has helped me out with. I should throw up a few other references in my description when I'm all done, because there's been a lot of helpful people that have information, tutorials if you will, on doing what I'm doing. That's why I say from the get-go, I'm not doing a tutorial. I'm doing everything that I've learned from everyone else and trying to see how it works out. And I know with computer parts, there's no one way to do everything, because just like being a doctor of anything else, every computer is a little different. Not every body is the same. Likewise, not every computer is the same. Alright? See, here we go. Set my Leatherman down, thank you. And I'm getting to the point now. You can see, basically what I have to do is, this is the RAM that I have to install into it tonight, and this is the hard drive that I picked out to install in it tonight. And I hope to get all of this done with reasonable amounts of success, and well, with absolute success, and without too much trouble. Yes, Pink Wyvern. Here you go, Pink Wyvern, if you could just set this down for us. Thank you very much. Now I'm just trying to find the best way to open up this bubble wrap. Very fancy bubble wrap. It is a little bit larger than I expected, it feels like. But, oh, I'm sorry, another point I was trying to get back to was that, hey, when I looked everything up, just jumped up in price by almost $400 already. I'm amazed, out of the blue. I don't know what makes stuff like that happen. One day it's affordable, next day I guess everyone's buying it and it just goes up in price because of the demand. I guess electronics are no different than the stock market, really, and that fear of missing out, apparently it's a real thing, and it made me very grateful that I snagged this when I did, because I went on to say in the previous video or post that this is saving me quite amount of money. Here you go, nice box. Awesome, guys, thank you very much. Mini PC, I named the video appropriately. That's a good start. All right, set this down first, Pink Wyvern. We're gonna hang on to that, set that down nice. There's box after box after box, and I'm doing the best I can to talk into the mic while I do this. Thank you. All right, here's the actual unit. Let me try to ground myself a little bit. I hope that's good enough. They say unpainted metal. I don't feel like I have enough of that around. There you go. There's scissors, unpainted metal. Making sure that I'm rounded. That Leatherman should have been good enough. Again, here we go, a user manual. It might be worth going into, but I wanted to do this on the fly. Know the BIOS. Great. Has all the ports. Correct. These are the instructions, Pink Wyvern. Yes. memory, yes. Have to. Okay, it looks like it's 4 screws on the bottom. Hopefully this is as easy as I thought it would be. Alright, I'm back. Here I go. The most difficult part was actually cracking the PC open. I managed to do so without causing any problems. I actually had to take a couple very tiny screwdrivers and go to these corners right about and around where the screws are and gently prying up from these corners where the screws actually go into. I was able to lift the platform up just like this and get inside of it. Out of the few reviews that I have seen, that's one of the only steps that was neglected, and I don't think that's even serious neglect. I think that's just something that happened. But yes, I did now actually put on some gloves. The whole idea of this precaution being that not only this should help with any kind of static, hopefully, which I will try to discharge against kind of exposed metal again. Driver. Fit through. Now, it's supposed to help me handle these parts without actually contaminating. Right into this tiny slot here. That's where the solid state drive is going to get plugged in at. I can already see it. I am no expert. Once again, this isn't even quite a tutorial. This is just showing that with basic knowledge that I've gained from others over the internet, I was able to find this product. I was able to find these parts because I knew where to look for these. These are the RAM slots right here. I'm going to put one stick on the bottom, another stick on the top. There it is. Okay, the graphic is a little different than what I expected. And I'll do it like that for now.